Today I take a look at the domyfan P5 dual screen laptop screen extender. So we got our instructions and we got our quick start guide. So here is our extender. Little Velcro strap. Nice they include that. I usually never keep it. That is kind of interesting. So they actually put a little clear window on the back so you can actually kind of see the components that are inside there. That is a nice little touch. I reviewed a lot of different laptop screen extenders. This is the first one I've seen like that. So we got a headphone jack. We got our multi-toggle switch. We got Type C1, Type C2, Type C3, USB-C with display ports. Now if we open this guy up, so it is protected. This is interesting. Oh. So we got our display on the right, we got our clamp on the left, so it's going to open up or close down to match whatever kind of a laptop we got. We do have some rubber feet here on the side, and then we got this little tab right here. So this is a spring-loaded tab. We can use that to actually clamp that onto the back of our laptop. So that is cool. This is definitely a new style that I haven't seen before. We have a nice large display on there. It says that's 15.6, and from corner to corner, I'm getting right about 15.5. So that is accurate. I also like seeing that they actually put rubber feet right here on the back, so you're not going to be scratching the back of your laptop. So for sure, they did some nice upgrades to this extender. Something else that they did that is pretty cool, that is unique to this extender, is that most extenders have a little kickstand that pops up. This one, if you don't want to have that, you don't have to. If you do want it, we can click that in, and now it's just going to slide in and snap in with those detents. So that can pull out, rotate around, and then we've got our kickstand. Very nice. If we decide we don't want it, just pop that out. You can kind of see those little detents in there, so that's going to be what holds this guy in place. So if we want to, yeah, we can actually just stand this thing up and have our display there just like that. If we want to clamp that onto our laptop, we can do that. And if the hinges on the laptop aren't strong enough, we can use the kickstand to help. If the hinges are strong enough, we can just fold that guy up, clamp that to the laptop, and use that to support our display. Now, this even adds something more unique than that, which is we have a pocket right here on the display itself. So we can pop this guy out and we can disconnect that from our clamp. We can put our kickstand directly into the display. And then we can use our display just like that. That is really cool. So as for what else is in the box, we have our display cable. So that's USB-C to HDMI. So if you have a laptop that does not have USB-C with video out, you do have an HDMI port on that laptop, you can still use this display with that. We've got a USB-C to USB-A, so you can use this to power that display and then run the HDMI out. We have a USB-C to USB-C. So if you do have a fully featured USB-C port on your laptop, we can plug directly into this. That will supply power and video to that display. So I'm going to plug into Type C1 and make sure we got both the feet on the screen and plug it in. And as you can see, I didn't have to put the kickstand on. As long as the laptop hinge itself is strong enough, then you don't really need it. I also really like that on this cable, it has got a 90-degree right here, so I got a lot more room for my mouse. I don't have that cable pushing over into my mouse. So right now we are duplicated. I'm going to go to display settings, and instead of duplicate, we're going to go to extend. So there we go. Now we have got our display on the right and on the left. So yeah, I can do my work on the main display. I can watch a video on the other side. That is actually a very large monitor, and compared to what I'm used to a 13-inch extension. This is a 15.5. So if you're like me and you can't deal with a single display, you need to have dual displays, that is going to be a great way to do it.